everybody, good morning. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. If you're just tuning in, I got one of our 441 LS engines. This one happens to be going in an airboat, and it's got the twin fabricated intake manifold on here to provide its fuel system from Holley. We got a gorgeous 441 LS. This thing just got done making at 5,800 RPM, 650 horsepower. Again, the airboats only go up to about 5,400 anyway, so this thing's gonna be unbelievable. And it's got over 600 foot-pounds of torque off idle and 650 throughout the band. Hey, you're looking for any engine? Come to the best, Proformance Unlimited. Peace. All right, Diamondback, I got your airboat motor engine on the dyno. Happens to be the 441 LS with the twin throttle body. It's gonna fire it up. Runs fantastic. Power for 6,000.